Click on the link below to get price. The 2015 to 2018 Silverado Sierra Chrome Power Fold Camper Trailer Tow Mirrors OEM GM are a remarkable upgrade for anyone looking to enhance their towing experience. From the moment I installed these mirrors, I was impressed by their quality and functionality. The chrome finish adds a touch of sophistication and style to the truck, making it stand out on the road. One of the standout features of these mirrors is their power folding capability. With just the push of a button, the mirrors fold inwards, providing excellent convenience when navigating tight spaces or parking in crowded areas. This feature not only helps protect the mirrors from potential damage but also makes the truck more streamlined, improving aerodynamics slightly. The towing capability of these mirrors is phenomenal. The larger surface area significantly reduces blind spots, providing a clearer view of what is behind and beside the vehicle. The integrated turn signal indicators are a great addition, enhancing visibility to other drivers and adding an extra layer of safety while towing. Additionally, the heating function ensures that the mirrors remain clear in cold or wet weather, making them indispensable during winter months. Installation was surprisingly straightforward. The mirrors came with all necessary wiring and mounting hardware, and I was able to complete the installation without professional help. The OEM fit means no gaps or awkward adjustments, allowing for a seamless integration into my Silverado. In terms of durability, these mirrors have held up exceptionally well. After several months of regular use, including exposure to harsh weather conditions, they show no signs of fading or wear. The build quality feels robust, which gives me confidence they will last for years to come. In summary, the 2015 to 2018 Silverado Sierra Chrome Power Fold Camper Trailer Tow Mirrors OEM GM are an excellent investment for any truck owner who frequently tows. They combine style, functionality, and durability, making them a must-have accessory for enhancing safety and convenience on the road.